Fixing my Hotend cover part 3. Next thing to fix is airflow guide. First I need to create sub-object binder from magnet slots. I have a lot of objects in each body, so I should start naming them properly, otherwise it's hard to find anything. You constantly have to go through a bunch of sketches to figure out what's there. Now I can remove axis-based constraints. Creating external geometry from binder and link fan duct slots to it. Fan duct holes have to be slightly larger so that the casing magnets fit easily. So I need add small gap, 0.25mm should be enough. To center the hole I need to use constraint coincident. This tool will make the gap between the holes constant and uniform. For some reason airflow holes were not displayed, so I tried recompile, but it didn't work. At first sketch looked okay. Only after opening it, I have noticed that airflow holes was misaligned with fan ducts. After using a tape measure, I realised what the problem was. I forgot that I had increased the height of the casing, and since the hole offsets were tied to the axes, everything broke down as soon as I made the changes. The starting holes will be glued to the sides of the cooler opening. and exit holes will be linked to bottom edge of the fan duct. The subtractive pipe is already done, and I only corrected the selected sketches, so the pipe recompiled and the flow looks great. Now I need to fix the second one. The first airflow guide turned out fine, but when I started making the second one, for some reason I got an error that the back was missing. I spent half an hour trying to figure out what the problem was. No matter what, I had same errors. The R no spine found, or I need to provide path. I tried redrawing the inlet and outlet holes, adjusted the path, and changed the pipe setting several times. For some reason it didn't work. I need to check some information and maybe in next video show how I have fixed this problem. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.